Can industries grow without damaging the environment? Introduction. Yes, through sustainable industrial development. Let's explore how sustainable practices can maintain growth while protecting nature. Sustainable development means protecting the future. Industries must keep the well-being of future generations in mind. This approach ensures resources do not run out and pollution does not increase over time. Industries must use resources efficiently. This means using raw materials, water, and energy in such a way that nothing is wasted. Proper planning and modern machinery help industries get the most out of every resource. They should reduce waste and pollution. Keeping emissions and trash to a minimum is crucial. This keeps air, water, and soil cleaner and helps protect both humans and wildlife. Cleaner technologies help reduce emissions. New machines and systems can cut down the release of harmful gases. Using such technologies keeps our air and environment safer for all. Recycling helps save resources. By reusing materials like metals, paper, and plastics, industries can use fewer new raw materials. This reduces waste and saves resources for the future. Energy efficiency reduces consumption. Industries can use energy-saving equipment and turn off machines when not in use. This cuts down on electricity bills and lowers greenhouse gas emissions. Renewable energy should be used. This includes solar panels, wind turbines, and hydropower. These clean energy sources help industries lower their environmental impact. Industries must follow environmental laws. Governments set rules to protect the environment. Factories must obey these laws or face penalties. These rules help keep pollution in check. Government should enforce rules. Proper checks and strong regulations from the government make sure industries stick to sustainable practices and do not harm the environment. People should be aware of environmental issues. When citizens know the risks of pollution, they can support and demand greener practices from industries and the government. Sustainable industrial development is essential. It balances growth and environmental protection. By combining these approaches, we can ensure a better world for everyone, now and in the future. Quick revision: cleaner technology, recycling, energy-efficient free pollution control. These are the main points needed to achieve sustainable industries. Question 1. What is sustainable industrial development? Industrial growth that does not harm future generations. Question 2. Name one method to achieve sustainability. Use of cleaner technology. Closing. This completes chapter Manufacturing Industries.